Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of September and giving away one of these products to one of you. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of September, it is the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. Inside looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter this one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings. For the giveaways, you must be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Sydney Grace Temptalia Quintessence palette in light, and it's mainly the green shades in here. So Ipsy is mainly a beauty subscription. It's makeup, skincare. They do have 3 different levels. They do have the Ipsy Glam bag, which is what we're doing today, and it's 5 deluxe size items. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size item for $13. They have their plus, which is 5 full-size items for $28, and then they do have, which on that plus I recently did an unboxing for. That'll be in the description box down below. There's a giveaway in that one, so make sure you check that out. And then they do have their X, and I recently did a video on talking about how the spoilers for the next X. I'll leave that in the description box down below as well. So the X comes out quarterly. It's $50 for 8 items in there. If you are interested in checking out Ipsy, I do have a code for them in the description box down below. It's just kind of there for you to use. If you do use it, I thank you. I haven't even opened this guy up yet. So the bag for this month is pretty cute. Products in here, as well as some other items that wouldn't fit in here. And then the bag, inside the bag kind of looks like that. If you see me looking down, because all of the information is on the card, which I kind of need my glasses for, so I'm going to put my glasses on. As back to work, school, life, whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. So the first item in here is one that I picked out. I love Tatcha products. So this is the Tatcha, the rice wash. It is a deluxe size sample. Full size does retail for $35. Not only is the creamy cleanser a dream to use, it makes your skin feel soft and subtle too. It uses rice powder, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid to wash away makeup and impurities and up your skin's hydration level. Tip, massage into damp skin to create a creamy lather and then rinse thoroughly. And I love putting ones that are like this, like sample sizes, in my little go-to bag whenever I travel. So that's what this one's for, although right now I am staying put, not doing much of anything, because where I live in Idaho, we just entered crisis care, which is really, really bad news because our hospitals are so overwhelmed here. So kind of keep on the down low, trying to not go anywhere right now where I get in any wrecks or anything like that, to add to the problems that our hospitals are having. From Untitled Beauty is the Ojo's Perfection Gel Pencil Eyeliner in Gold Dorado. Long lasting doesn't even begin to describe the waterproof gel eyeliner level of staying powder. It's cry-proof, humidity-proof, sweat-proof, you name it. The metallic shade is a going out staple, whether you're going to a wedding or hitting a happy hour. Tip for quick pop of color, line both lashes and smudge with an angle brush. This is full size. It does retail for $16. And I love that it's waterproof because it's about the only type of eyeliner I can use because my eyes are so watery. So the next products are ones that did not fit in the bag. And they are Papa Recipe Bombo Pour Ampoule Honey and Bamboo Pepper Ampoule Honey Mask Duo. This sheet mask has got all your skincare needs covered. It's made with skin-loving ingredients to help hydrate skin and soothe irritation, and to help tighten your pores for a smooth complexion. Plus, they're made with all natural ingredients and 0 dyes, fragrance, or fillers. Tip, apply to skin for up to 30 minutes, remove and pat out the extra essence into the skin. I do love putting the extra essence kind of here on my décolletage and neck to help that area. These are full size and retail for $3.50 per mask. Next item is from Less Beauty City Chic Eyeshadow Quad. This eyeshadow palette, it comes with 4 neutral shades, including 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. Fits perfectly into your bag for travel, late nights, and touch-ups. It's basically the ultimate bring anywhere makeup accessory. Tip, swipe 1 or all of these shades over your lids using fingers or an eyeshadow brush. The full size does retail for $19. This, and then here's what the inside looks like. I'm not gonna do any swatches of these because I have so many of these shades already in my collection. I'm gonna save that for either this giveaway or a future one. Last thing in here is Shades by Sean Highlighter Single in Irma. You know the gorgeous glow skin gets during golden hour. This soft shimmery highlighter recreates the same effect on your skin. The powdery formula blends beautifully. It's easy to build and leaves skin looking luminous. Apply to high points of your face, including cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $34. And it kind of looks like this. I like my highlighters because I have such pale skin to be a little lighter than this. It's I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's definitely more of a, you know, that, like they were saying, that golden type of highlighter. In honor of all of our hospital care workers out there and how much we love and thank them so much, our secret word of the day is hospital. So let's give our masks away as our giveaway in today's video. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it your secret word and also your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Only fill out that Google form once. And there are bonus entries, and the bonus entries are if you follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. Do not mark on that form that you did the bonus entries if you didn't, because I do check. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. One person will be receiving both of these masks. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Let's have this giveaway go through October 15th. Then on October 21st, my birthday, we'll do our little spin the wheel, and we will put in it everybody's first name, first initial of their last name, and if they did those bonus entries, then I'll put those onto the wheel as well. The computer picks it, I don't, so don't ask me to win. Then as soon as the giveaway is over and I mail out the forms, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Nobody has access to that but me. Your privacy is very important. I do not sell your information or anything like that. If you have liked this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here, and you have to be subscribed in order to win. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I try and do giveaways a lot here on this channel. I love giving back to you. It makes me happy when I can make somebody else happy. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway.